Hello, this is Nicholas from WilliamReviews.com. Today I am showing the review of Thunderwings, which is a Lego Creator model, 3-in-1. It's number 31008. It doesn't say the name on the packet, too bad, and it's got 235 pieces in it, but this is one of the models, so of course this bit on it its own won't have 235. Surprisingly, there are no special features in this model other than the tail wings, well, stabilizers being able to go up and back down again. And star rating of fun to play with, I'd say I'd give it a 4-star, because there's not many functions, not many special functions. It's a nice aeroplane to go zoom, 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 zoom with. So, and that's about it really. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.